this video, I'm going to show you how to create an image on Leonardo AI. So without further ado, let's get on right into the video. To generate an image on Leonardo AI, first, open a web browser and type in leonardo.ai in the search box and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your Leonardo AI account, and after you are, you'll be able to see this first interface. Now, from the left-hand side menu, click on AI Image Generation. Now, it'll take you to the AI Image Generation page. You'll be able to see various settings and options on the left-hand side of the screen. You can adjust the settings such as number of the images you'd like to create, the prompt magic, alchemy, image dimensions, and other advanced options. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a text box where it says type a prompt. This is where you can enter your text. Describe the image you'd want to generate. You can type in as much details that you can provide. Now, after you are done, if you click on this add negative prompt, you can include all of the things that you don't want to see in the image generated. Let me type in a prompt over here and get back to you. After you are done, click on the generate button. Now wait for a few minutes, and then Leonardo AI will process your prompt and generate the image based on the given instructions. You can now see the image generated on the screen. Now you can download the image by clicking on the download image button right under the image, and there you have successfully generated an image from Leonardo AI. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.